Respected Director Principal Ma'am, Rohit sir, all the teachers of the school, and dear students. First of all, a very warm good morning to all of you. Congratulations to all those who have made it to the council, and my best wishes to them for the coming year ahead. That they excel in all the responsibilities that have been entrusted upon you. You do well. You abide by the words that you have taken in your pledge. Loyalty, honesty, sincerity. These three words strike me as the most and the best values that one should inculcate in their lives and one should follow upon. It is said, some people say that leaders are born, and some people have the other view that leaders are not born but they are made. And I believe that both of these things are true. Some people are born leaders, but some people are leaders they become in the course of their life, in the course of their journey. I have always been a mediocre student, a mediocre person. I was not a born leader, never. In my studies, in my academic career, I have been mediocre. And I believe it is not bad to be a mediocre. Because you can see where I am right now. Still being a mediocre student, still being a mediocre person. But I believe and I urge upon you to not restrict your studies, restrict yourself to only studies, only academics. Because I did that. I was never into sports. I was never into cultural activities. Most of our parents push us to excel in academics only. And they believe that singing, dancing, sports are just a waste of time. But I feel otherwise now. I believe that you should not only pursue your academics, but you should also take part in all the sports activities that you can. You should also take part in all the cultural activities that you can. Because it is the time, the school life is the best part of your life. But you only recognize this after passing from the school. Because being in school, you feel that it's the worst of your times. You are being pushed for academics, you are being pushed for everything that your parents want you to do, your teachers want you to do. But I feel that you should enjoy this time to the best and still do the most hard work that you can do in all the fields that you are good at. If you are not good at academics and you are good at sports, then you should focus upon that. If you are not good at academics, you are not good at sports, but you are good at some cultural activity. These days, the cultural activities have become very much a career in itself, a profession itself. I have done engineering. After that, I did MBA. After that, I worked for 5 years in corporate sector. But then I decided that this is not my deal. That was my calling, that I recognized that I have to do civil service, I have to do service for the people, I have to contribute more to the society, more to the nation. And then I quit my job and then I started preparing for the civil services. Till that time, I had never failed in any test, in any exam, till that time. But when I started preparing for civil services, I gave my first attempt. I cleared prelims, I cleared mains, I appeared for the interview. But then in the final result, my name was not in the list. I failed for the first time. And then I realized that failure is not something that you should be worried about. What is important is that you have put in your best, you have done your hard work. After that failure, I decided that I have to put my best efforts once again. I started preparing again. I gave my second attempt and I cleared UPSC Civil Services and I'm into Indian Police Service now. So failure is not something you should be worried about. Even if you fail once, you should try, give it another try. You should try, work hard. Hard work is something that cannot be replaced. Effort and hard work is something that you have to do, only then results will be there. I agree by what Ashima said in her speech, that dreams are those which are worth chasing for. You should not be afraid of dreaming. You should dream and work hard and strive to achieve those dreams and to achieve the best of your potential. All the best to all those who have given this responsibility, and all the best to all the students for whatever field they choose, whatever they are good in, academics, sports, cultural or anything. All the best to all the students, all the best, my best wishes. Once again, to all those who have been given a part of the council. Congratulations. Thank you.